Do you want to try something new this holiday season? Make this vegan cheesy vegetable dip. Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making this easy recipe using veggies and simple ingredients which is perfect for get together and parties. So let's get started. Heat a pan at medium heat and add oil. Once the oil is slightly hot, add finely chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies. Stir over medium or low heat for 2 minutes and ensure they don't stick to the bottom of the pan or burn. Then add finely chopped tomatoes. Alternatively, you can use tomato puree to speed up the process, but I like to use fresh veggies as much as possible to get the best flavors out of the dish. Cook over medium or high heat until the tomatoes release all the water and the oil starts to ooze out. Now it's time to add the tomato sauce, soy sauce, and red chili flakes. Stir and cook over medium heat for a minute. The base sauce of the dip is ready and it's time to add the remaining vegetables. I am adding frozen green peas, cooked corn, finely chopped red and yellow bell pepper, finely chopped carrot, some soy milk, although it's optional and you can replace it with water. Mix everything well and let it cook over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't cover it as the vegetables will release some water and we don't want the dip to be running. If you are new to vegan recipes, check out the description section to download my free vegan guide. At this point, we will add tofu, followed by some grated vegan cheese and some more vegan cheese. This recipe can be modified in many ways and you can use the veggies in your fridge, adjust the spices as per your taste and add as much cheese as you like. Make sure everything is well combined. I will add salt as per taste and red chili powder as I want the dip to be slightly spicy, but you can omit this step if you don't prefer the spicy dips. As you can see, the dip has a little bit of liquid content, so we will cook it over medium or low heat for 7 to 10 minutes. If you are new to veganism or want to try vegan recipes, I have an online cooking course especially for beginners on Udemy. I have added a special promo code for this holiday season. Make sure to check out the link in the description section. This is a packed recipe with unique flavors and can be used in different ways. This would surely turn some of the heads, but in a good way. Once the liquid content has reduced, transfer the dip to a baking pan and then top it up with some more vegan cheese. Bake it for 10 minutes over 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. And the vegan cheesy curry dip is ready. The dish looks scrumptious. Topping it up with some red chili flakes. Trust me, this is going to be the hit of the party and everyone would love it. So, if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.